Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And the reason I'm making a video today is I was quite surprised. The kind of hate I got on the earlier video I posted about the sunroof. I was literally surprised about the amount of hate in the comments, on that video. The number of comments are less, but there were a couple of comments where people were really showing their hate and their frustration on that video. So it's quite funny, man. It's quite funny, how quickly people get frustrated and getting hate on someone online, right? So this is one comment, the guy was saying, hey, don't throw all your wisdom on us. Okay, so you are accepting I have wisdom. Thank you. And I think I do. And I make sensible videos for sensible people, for people who have wisdom. Maybe I'm trying to share a little with you. If you don't like, you're happy not to come to my channel again, right? You don't have to come and tell me to not show my wisdom. Of course, you have your right of expression. But why so much hate, dude? There's a way, there's a method to do things, right? You would always tell something constructively. And there's this guy that comes and says, hey, I am blocking your channel, I'm never coming back. Okay, don't come, dude. Am I begging you to come and view my channel? No, this is for sensible people, right? I make sensible videos. I make real life experiences. You blocking my channel is not going to mean anything to me. You are just someone sitting somewhere in the world, somehow accidentally ended up watching this video, and you choose to come and comment saying that, oh my god, I'm gonna block you. Good luck to you. Block me, report me, do whatever you want. I'm not gonna care a damn, isn't it? Right? And there's this guy who says, you are talking about your car although it's a Rolls Royce. Yes, dude, this is a Rolls Royce for me. And frankly speaking, coming from a car of 5 to 8 lakh budget, I have driven my old car, which is 7 to 8 lakh rupees, and I have driven it for more than 1 lakh kilometers. After driving that, yes, this does feel like a Rolls Royce for me. Yes, it's a Rolls Royce, dude. And I'm not a multi-millionaire. I don't have a huge inheritance that I buy this with someone else's money, right? I worked my way up, working hard and purchasing this with my own money. So this is Rolls Royce, this is a Ferrari, this is a McLaren, this is everything for me until I grow to a stage where I can actually afford those cars, right? So come on guys, be matured, okay? If someone is trying to share some content, if you don't like it, hit a dislike, doesn't matter. But don't spew venom, and don't spread hatred in the comments. Start saying that, oh, we don't need your wisdom, I'm gonna block you, I'm gonna block your channel, never coming back. You are talking as though it's a Rolls Royce. No. All the points I mentioned in the sunroof video does strike a chord with people who actually have a 700 or drive a car with a sunroof. I don't know what cars you guys drive. Of course, I do respect every single car. Every car is a good piece of engineering, right? But without actual experience, just coming and commenting for the sake of commenting and taking your time for me, I appreciate that. But, be a little mature, guys. Okay, that's that about all the hate I got on my sunroof video. Here it is. Dude, you got a lot of hate. Yeah, and then coming back to some good comments, there are a couple of gentlemen who really liked my videos and who wanted me to make more. So I'm going to continue to make more sensible videos, more real-time experience videos that make some sense and might help people who are trying to purchase a new vehicle in this price point, or for the sake of interest in cars, right? Whatever it is. And there's going to be some very interesting content coming up, right? Because you see, the car has hit 20,000 kilometers. It's going for a service tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm gonna walk you through the service bill and what's the experience like. I have not made a video earlier on my 10,000 service or my buying experience or all the mods I have done to this car. If you have seen my earlier videos, I have also mentioned about a couple of really bad experiences. One with the service, the first service, and second with an incident that happened on the road. Very bad experience. After buying a 30 lakh vehicle, you don't expect to end up in those situations, right? So a lot of interesting content coming up. And one of the gentlemen asked me to make videos of every single feature that's on offer in this vehicle. Yeah, yes sir, that's coming up as well in the form of shorts or a video. And we are going to go and test drive Thar Rocks for one of my friend who has finalized buying it, but he wanted me and a couple of other friends to also test drive before he books the vehicle. So an interesting perspective on Thar Rocks test drive is also coming up. So I think I need some encouragement from you guys. Maybe at least help me hit 50 subscribers, right? So that kind of encourages me. The other day I was thinking, okay, let's close the channel. Maybe my content is not been appealing for my viewers, but again, today I logged in and I was surprised to see 20 subscribers and some good comments. So it's like I should make some content for whoever subscribed. So this is that video. Many more wonderful, interesting videos coming up. So put your thoughts in the comments. Suggest if any video that you really want me to make. Yeah, and that's it, guys. I mean, take care. And before I sign off, drive in peace. Don't be in rush. Avoid driving at nights if possible. And make sure you strap your kids, or if it's really infants, please make sure you use a child seat. I see a lot of Indian parents simply taking their kids around. At least put your hands around them and make sure when you suddenly brake, they don't fly here and there. Okay. So take care, guys, and more content coming up. Looking forward to your likes and comments. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.